Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix login error of your TikTok. So there could be few things that might have caused this problem. So in this video I'll show you the possible solutions to fix your login error. So as you can see, this is a TikTok app and right now I'm not logged into any of my accounts. So first of all, an outdated version of the app might be a cause. To solve that, go to your Play Store or App Store. Now, once you reach your Play Store, on the address bar, type the name of the app of which you want to fix the login error of. So that's TikTok for us today. So here type TikTok and then open it. Now again tap on the app. Now the next thing you need to do is check whether any update is available or not. If updates are available for your app, then update your app, and once you have updated your app, try re-logging in, and that will also fix the login error. So if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, don't worry, I have another solution as well. For another solution, let's go back to our home page once more, and here you need to tap on the settings app. Now scroll down until you find the app. So that is the app option, tap on it. Here again type the name of the app by tapping on the search icon. Here type TikTok and then open it. Now once you have opened your app, you will see your storage option, tap on it. Now the next thing you need to do is clear the cache of this app. So once you have cleared the cache, then you can again log in, and that will also fix a login error. So if both of these solutions does not work for you, the easiest solution is go back and then uninstall your app. So once you have uninstalled your app, reinstall it and try logging in, and that will definitely fix your login error. You know how to uninstall an app, just long press on the app, then you will see your option with uninstall, tap on it, and to reinstall your app, go to your Play Store or App Store, type the name of the app and then reinstall it, and once you have reinstalled, try logging in as I've mentioned earlier. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.